Hawaii's must-visit beaches, your ultimate guide. Hawaii is a treasure trove of spectacular beach destinations, each offering its unique blend of natural beauty and vibrant culture. From the bustling shores of Waikiki to the serene sands of Hapuna Beach, these island paradises promise unforgettable experiences by the sea. Waikiki Beach is not just a beach, it's a lively paradise set against the backdrop of Honolulu's skyscrapers. This iconic destination attracts surfers, sunbathers, and tourists from around the globe, all drawn to its golden sands and crystal-clear waters. Lanikai Beach, located in Kailua, is a vision of tranquility with its pristine waters and powdery white sands. Often ranked among the world's best beaches, it offers a perfect setting for sunrise views and tranquil swims in its turquoise embrace. On the Big Island, Hapuna Beach stands out as a serene haven of white sand stretching far into the horizon. Its expansive shores provide a peaceful retreat for those seeking to escape the hustle and bustle, making it an ideal spot for relaxation and sunbathing. Poipu Beach in Kauai is a family-friendly gem that caters to visitors of all ages. With its gentle waves and natural wading pools, it's a safe and delightful spot for children to play, while adults can enjoy snorkeling among the vibrant marine life. Kopali Beach in Maui beckons with its historic charm and vibrant atmosphere. This stretch of coastline is famous for its daily cliff diving ceremony at sunset, a tribute to a legendary Hawaiian king. Its clear waters and lively boardwalk make it a must-visit for any traveler. Molokai's Puu Beach offers a striking contrast with its expansive, uncrowded shores. Stretching over 3 miles, it's one of the largest white sand beaches in Hawaii, providing a serene escape. Its secluded nature promises tranquility far from the bustling tourist spots. Puu Beach stands out with its stunning black sands, a rare sight that captivates visitors. The beach is also a haven for endangered hawksbill and green sea turtles, offering unique wildlife watching opportunities. Its dramatic landscape is a photographer's dream, combining the rich black sand with the azure sea. Hawaii's beaches present a mosaic of experiences, from Maui's lively shores to Molokai's tranquil expanses. Whether it's the historic allure of Kopali Beach, the solitude of Puu, or the unique beauty of Puu, there's a slice of paradise for every type of traveler.